Today, we are solving AP Calculus AB 2025 Free Response Question 2. This problem tests area between curves, cross-sectional volume, washer method, and parallel tangent lines. Here is the shaded region R. On the interval from x equals 0 to x equals 3, g of x is above f of x. So vertical slices have height g of x minus f of x. The shaded region R is bounded by the graphs of the functions f and g, where f, x, equals x squared minus 2x, and g, x, equals x plus sine of pi x. The shaded region R is bounded by these two functions. Important note, your calculator should be in radian mode because the function g, x, contains sine of pi x. Part A asks for the area of the shaded region. Continue reading the question carefully. Part B says region R is the base of a solid. At each x, the cross-section perpendicular to the x-axis is a rectangle with height x and base in region R. Find the volume of the solid. Part C asks us to write, but not evaluate, an integral expression for the volume formed by rotating region R about the horizontal line y equals -2. Part D asks for the value of x between 0 and 1, where the tangent line to f is parallel to the tangent line to g. Find x, where the tangent to f. Continue reading the question carefully. Is parallel to the tangent to g. From a graph, the shaded region starts at x equals 0 and ends at x equals 3. The two curves meet at 0, 0, and 3, 3. On the shaded region, g, x is the top curve, and f, x is the bottom curve. The vertical distance between the curves is top minus bottom, so the height of a vertical slice is g, x minus f, x. Continue reading the question carefully. Part A asks for the area of the shaded region. The formula for area between curves is the integral of top minus bottom. Here the top curve is gx. The bottom curve is fx. And the interval is from 0 to 3. Continue reading the question carefully. This setup is the most important part. For AP scoring, the integrand g x minus f x in a definite integral earns the setup point. Now substitute the formulas for g, x, and f, x. And f, x, equals x squared minus 2x. So the integrand can also be written as -x squared plus 3x plus sine of pi x. Area of R equals sub-0 to the power of 3 x squared plus 3x plus sin of pi x dx. Area of R equals sub-0 to the power of 3 g x fx dx. Continue the aligned calculation. The next steps are shown one line at a time. The calculator gives approximately 5.136620. Therefore, the area of R is approximately 5.137 square units. Here is a quick exact check for students who want to see why the decimal makes sense. Sub-0 to the power of 3 x squared plus 3x dx. So this simplifies to equals x cubed over 3 plus 3x to the power of 2 over 20 to the power of 3. So this simplifies to equals minus 27 over 3 plus 3, 9 over 2 dash 0. So this simplifies to equals minus 9 plus 27 over 2. Continue the aligned calculation. The next steps are shown one line at a time. Sub-0 to the power of 3 sin of pi x dx. So this simplifies to equals cos of pi x over pi 0 to the power of 3. So this simplifies to equals cos of 3 pi over pi plus cos of 0 over pi. So this simplifies to equals 1 over pi plus 1 over pi. Continue the aligned calculation. The next steps are shown one line at a time. So the exact area is 9 pi plus 4 over 2 pi, which is approximately 5.137. Part B says region R is the base of solid. At each x, the cross-section perpendicular to the x-axis is a rectangle. The height of the rectangle is x. The base of the rectangle is the vertical distance across the region, which is g x minus fx. The area of each rectangular cross-section is base times height. So the cross-sectional area is. Continue reading the question carefully. We use AX here to mean cross-sectional area, not the same as the area of the region. From part A, we already found g x minus f x equals negative x squared plus 3x plus sine of pi x. So the cross-sectional area is x times negative x squared plus 3x plus sine of pi x. To find volume from cross-sections, we integrate the cross-sectional area. The region extends from x equals 0 to x equals 3. Volume equals sub 0 to the power of 3x, gx, fx, dx. Volume equals sub 0 to the power of 3x, x squared plus 3x plus sin of pi x, dx. Volume equals sub 0 to the power of 3x, gx, fx, dx. Sub 0 to the power of 3x, g, x, fx, dx. 7.704930. Therefore, the volume of the solid is approximately 7.705 cubic units. Here is an optional exact check. The polynomial part evaluates to 27 over 4. Sub 0 to the power of 3x sin of pi x dx. So this simplifies to equals x cos of pi x over pi 0 to the power of 3 plus sub 0 to the power of 3 cos of pi x over pi dx. So this simplifies to equals x cosine of pi x over pi 0 to the power of 3 plus sine of pi x over pi squared 0 to the power of 3. So this simplifies to equals minus 3 cosine of 3 pi over pi minus 0 plus sine of 3 pi over pi squared minus 0. So this simplifies to equals dash 3 minus 1 over pi plus 0. So this simplifies to equals 3 over pi. So the exact value is 27 pi plus 12 over 4 pi, which agrees with the decimal answer. Part C asks us to write, but not evaluate, an integral expression for the volume formed by rotating region R about the horizontal line y equals -2. Since the axis of rotation is horizontal and the region is described using top and bottom curves in terms of x, we use washers with vertical slices. The area of a washer is pi times the outer radius squared minus the inner radius squared. The axis of rotation is below the region at y equals -2. The top curve is gx. Continue reading the question carefully. And the bottom curve is fx. The outer radius goes from the axis y equals -2 to the top curve y equals gx. So the outer radius is gx, plus 2. The inner radius goes from the axis y equals -2 to the bottom curve y equals fx. So the inner radius is fx plus 2. Now substitute the radii and the interval. The interval is from 0 to 3. The outer radius is gx plus 2. The inner radius is fx plus 2. This is the required integral expression. The problem says to write it, but not evaluate it. This is the cleanest answer. We can also write the answer with f and g fully substituted. And fx equals x squared minus 2x. Both forms are correct. The first form is usually cleaner, and the second form is fully substituted. Common mistake. Do not use gx minus fx as the radius for this rotation. Continue reading the question carefully. The radius must be measured from the axis of rotation, which is y equals -2. That is why the radii are gx plus 2 and fx plus 2. This prepares us for the next step. Part D asks for the value of x between 0 and 1, where the tangent line to f is parallel to the tangent line to g. Parallel lines have equal slopes. For graphs, slope of the tangent line means derivative. Continue reading the question carefully. So we need to solve f prime of x equals g prime of x. First, find f prime of x. So f prime of x equals 2x minus 2. Now set the two derivatives equal. And g prime of x equals 1 plus pi cosine of pi x. This equation means the tangent lines have the same slope. This equation is not easy to solve exactly by hand, so we use a calculator or numerical solver on 0 less than x less than 1. Using a calculator, solve the equation 2x minus 2 equals 1 plus pi cosine of pi x on the interval 0 less than x less than 1. The calculator gives x approximately 0.675819. Rounded to 3 decimal places, x equals 0.676. Let us check the meaning of this answer. The slope of f at this x is approximately -0.648362. The slope of g at this x is also approximately -0.648362. The slopes are the same, so the tangent lines are parallel. Here is the full clean solution. Part A. This prepares us for the next step. Area. So this simplifies to equal sub 0 to the power of 3 g x fx dx. So this simplifies to equal sub 0 to the power of 3 x plus sin of pi x squared minus 2x dx. So this simplifies to equal sub 0 to the power of 3 x squared plus 3x plus sin of pi x dx. Continue the aligned calculation. The next steps are shown one line at a time. Rounded to 3 decimal places, the area is 5.137. Part B. This prepares us for the next step. The cross-sectional area is x times g x minus fx. The volume integral evaluates to approximately 7.704930. Rounded to 3 decimal places, the volume is 7.705. Part C. This prepares us for the next step. The outer radius is g, x, plus 2. Inner radius equals fx dash minus 2 equals fx plus 2. The washer integral is pi times the integral from 0 to 3 of g x plus 2 squared minus f x plus 2 squared dx. Part D. This prepares us for the next step. F prime x equals 2x minus 2. G prime x equals 1 plus pi cos of pi x. F prime x. So this simplifies to equals g prime x. 2x minus 2. So this simplifies to equals 1 plus pi cos of pi x. X. 0.675819. Rounded to 3 decimal places, x equals 0.676. Here are the key AP exam tips from this question. For area between curves, always use top minus bottom. For cross-sectional volume, first write the cross-sectional area, AX, then integrate. For washer method, measure each radius from the axis of rotation. For parallel tangent lines, set the derivatives equal because derivatives give slopes. Continue reading the question carefully. The final answers are: Part A, the area is 5.137. Part B, the volume is 7.705. Part C, the washer integral is pi times the integral from 0 to 3 of g x plus 2 squared minus f x plus 2 squared dx. Part D, x igual 0.676. This question brings together top minus bottom cross-sectional volume. This prepares us for the next step. Washer radii. This prepares us for the next step. And equal slopes for parallel tangents. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more step-by-step AP calculus lessons. Continue reading the question carefully.